Hello, Fitbit Versa. Hey everyone, how you doing today? So in the last video, I did bye-bye Fitbit Blaze, and now it's time to say hello to the Fitbit Versa. Yep, I finally got it. Picked it up today. So I haven't taken it out the box yet, but like I said, I picked it up today. So I didn't pre-order it, but I kind of pre-ordered in a way. Meaning I put in the order on the 15th that night, and it got released on the 16th for pickup at Best Buy. So in a way, kinda is a pre-order, but not really. Let's go over some things that's included with this thing. First off, like I predicted, it comes with the small and large wristband. So unlike the Blaze, I had to order it with either the small or the large. This time around, they decided to include the small and large and just make it easier for everybody, which is cool. So let's see what kind of features this have. Okay, so first off, I can see that this comes with phone-free music. Now, the Fitbit Blaze had the ability to control the music that was on your phone, you know, pause, skip, or go back to previous track. But this is able to actually store the music on it. So I can upload the music to that Fitbit Versa and then use my Bluetooth headphones and listen to the music then. Next feature I see, it has Pure Pulse heart rate. Now I'm assuming that's a better heart rate monitor. Next up, it has on-screen coaching, and I see it has app and notifications, which notification was already on the Fitbit Blaze, but not apps. So that's a new feature compared to this one. And one thing I like that they finally added to this thing is water resistance, and this one goes up to 50 meters. Let's see, on the back we got health features like steps, distance, calorie burn, you know, the standard stuff. Plus it got fitness features like run, swim, yoga. It has connected GPS because this one that I have don't have the GPS built in. And it's got some smart features like storing up to 300 plus songs. Impressive. It gives you call, text, calendar, and app alerts. And apps from weather, sports, and more. According to this, it has a day to night design, and for what I'm reading, it says 4+ days of battery life, multiple clock face, lightweight and comfortable, and interchangeable band, which is sold separately, of course. Yeah, like I said, this is the Fitbit Versa. I looked at the Ionic when it first came out, but something about it wasn't piquing my interest. But when I saw this one, I'm like, okay, this is the one that's going to upgrade to this one. Because like I said, this one has a whole lot more features, the water resistant, the band. So I decided to go with the black because, you know, the black has a little slick look to it. So I haven't actually opened it yet. Now let's see if this box has a magnetic close to it, because when I got the Fitbit Blaze, the box actually snapped when I opened it. So let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah. See that? Yeah. All right, so what's in the box? Of course, the shiny new Fitbit Versa. I have a tendency to try to say Fitbit Blaze, but you know, you got to get that Blaze out your mindset. Takes a little while because I had this thing since, I don't know, 2 years now, ever since it got released. Let's see what else is in the thing here. So we got the extra band, which this is the large, I can tell because it looks a little longer. Plus, it says large. Interesting. Now, one thing I noticed about the large, it's only come on one side. So basically, all you're doing is changing out the length of the one that actually has the holes in it. The other one stays on it. So the next item up is the charger. Now, the charger on this one is a little bit different because on the Fitbit Blaze, you had to actually snap out the unit out of the band and snap it into the holder to make it work. Now on this one itself, it actually snaps into place. So what you do is you slide it in there and you just snap it down and it fits inside the charger and charges up. And I know I still got the plastic on everything, but this is just an intro video to show you what it actually comes in the box. So like I said, this is all that comes in the box really. You got the extra band, you got the Fitbit Versa itself, and then you got the charger. And according to the features, it said it lasts up to 4 days, which is perfect. But it varies. You know, if you're a strenuous workout type of person, you're going to use up more of the battery compared to actually person who does casual stuff, you know. Okay, so let's just take this thing out and remove the plastic for the first time. If I can get it off. Oh, it's a good, yes, it's a good seal. And might as well we just take the plastic off this charger too, since we have to use it eventually. Yeah, like I say, it's just a little older. You want to put on your desk, nightstand, table, wherever. Now the Fitbit, to me it looks like it's about 75% charge. So the language, eventually when you see the language you understand that stroll across, is saying that you need to download the Fitbit app. But of course I already have the Fitbit app. Okay, so let me grab my smartphone and try to get this thing hooked up. Okay, so I got my smartphone, I got the app open, and I'm gonna try to get this thing connected to my account. First we're going to go to an add device, and of course Fitbit Versa end up on top of the list. Okay, so it seems like they're communicating now. It asked me to agree to the policy and all that good stuff. Set aside 30 minutes to complete the setup. Charge the Versa to 50% and keep the charge through the setup. Ensure access to reliable Wi-Fi that doesn't require browser authentication. Now it tells me to charge my Versa. So basically what they tell me to do is pinch the side so it opens like this. See that action? And then you insert it in here and then release the pinch, and that's how it should actually be charged. Now it's asking me to enter the code that show up here on the code on the phone. It said it's connecting, so I'm just waiting for it to finish going through that connection process. So now it says Versa Wi-Fi setup. So the Versa Wi-Fi setup says Wi-Fi is used to set up your watch now and then transfer music later. So let me choose my Wi-Fi and enter my password. Sorry, I can't show it to you, even though you might not live near me, but still, there's certain things you just don't give out. Now it says I need to update the Versa to the latest. This can take a while. Keep the watch close and charging during the setup. And for the sake of time, we're gonna let this go through, and then I'm gonna come right back when it's finished. Okay, so the Fitbit is all set and ready to go. I had to update the firmware and some other software, but I finally went through all that setup and it's ready and it's good to go. So I decided to go with the small band because it fits nice and comfortable. If I had the large band, it probably would have been going around the edge here and just hanging off a little bit more. But as you can see, you know, this one is fitting nice and comfortable, and there is no tightness about it because I still have adjustments I can do if I need be. So the small band is fine. I'm gonna do another video after I wear it for like a 24-hour period and then see how it performs compared to the Blaze. I'm sure it's gonna perform better because it's a new version and it's probably got a new software and all that good stuff. Also, what I'm gonna do is do like a close-up video, you know, go through the different screens so you can see what it looks like as far as using it and looking at it. But I can tell you right now that the screen is a whole lot brighter and the text and the images is a whole lot more clearer than on the Fitbit. It looks a little sharper and I can tell the difference, but I just don't want to keep pointing up to the camera like this. I want to do a close-up video, and that video is going to come up soon, so you know you got to stay tuned to the channel. So like I say, in the upcoming video I'll do like a close-up, and then I'm gonna do like a test of how long the battery lasts. I'm gonna give it a full charge, and then I'm gonna see how long during that time period, how many days. It says 4+ days, but I'm gonna see if it actually lasts 4+ or less, just to the sake of testing. It's not like I'm gonna return it because it dies in 3 days. I'm still gonna keep it. You know, these things are always active and they're using battery power, so you expect them to decharge themselves normally. And like I said, I'm gonna do those videos as soon as I can and post them on the channel, so check them out. You know, if you subscribe, you're gonna get that notification. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. And go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video. Leave comments, question, anything you want to leave down there. I will respond to them as soon as possible. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good one.